Doctors in Missouri could soon risk losing their license if they provide hormone treatment to transgender minors. Our Missouri Chief Capitol Bureau reporter Emily Manley joining us live tonight to explain how this could also affect trans youth on Medicaid. Emily.
Jasmine, the bill originally started by criminalizing parents who would allow their child to undergo surgery or receive hormone treatment. But the sponsor has since pared it back. Yet it still would prohibit anyone under the age of 18 from getting medical treatment for when it comes to transgender youth.
My brother is a trans boy. I love my brother. Sometimes he is annoying. Please don't hurt them.
A hot button topic across the nation was front and center during a Senate committee Wednesday.
Some may say the government should not restrict a minor's ability to do irreversible harm to their bodies simply to satisfy a desire.
Southwest Missouri Representative Mike Moon is behind the legislation. His bill prohibits doctors from giving minors hormone treatments, like prescription drugs, or arranging surgery for gender transition. It also blocks public funds like Medicaid from going towards facilities that offer those procedures.
It seems very reasonable to make it unlawful for a child under the age of 18 to undergo gender reassignment surgery.
While only a few spoke in favor, most in attendance were in opposition.
We can no longer subject our child and ourselves to this stress, and we have decided to move out of Missouri.
Mental health can be severely affected due to the lack of transitional health care.
Recently, U.S. Senate candidate Representative Vicky Hartzler's Twitter account was suspended for tweeting, "Women's sports are for women, not men pretending to be women." The post has since been hidden, and she's blocked until she deletes it, which her campaign says won't happen.
We do not get to make laws just because you and I don't like something or understand it.
Here in Missouri, lawmakers are also trying to prevent transgender girls from being allowed to play on girls' sports teams. But parents say they aren't done fighting for their transgender kids.
Regardless of where I live, I care about the rights of Missouri's kids to be their true selves and to preserve their rights to receive gender-affirming medical care.
Now, Missouri's High School Association already has a policy in place for transgender athletes. It only requires or allows transgender females to participate in female sports as long as they've been taking hormone treatment for at least 1 year. Both of these bills still need to be voted out of the Senate. Reporting live tonight from Missouri State Capitol Bureau in Jefferson City, I'm Emily Manley, Fox 2 News.